Two blockchains can have the same number of transactions, but completely different usage. Average gas per transaction shows how complex the average on-chain action really is. Average gas per transaction shows how much computational work one transaction consumes on average. It's not about how many transactions happen, it's about how heavy each transaction is. Think of it like calories per meal. You can eat the same number of meals, but some meals are much heavier than others. Two users can both make one transaction. One sends ETH to a friend, the other interacts with a DeFi protocol. Same transaction count, completely different complexity. So when average gas per transaction increases, users are interacting with more complex smart contracts. DeFi NFT means bridges, multi-step applications, fewer actions but much more work per action. When average gas per transaction declines, users are mostly doing simple things: transfers, basic interactions, low computational load. This metric becomes really powerful when we combine it with transactions. Average gas goes up, but transactions stay flat. Users are doing more complex actions, even though activity volume doesn't change. Average gas goes up, transactions go up to high quality growth, more users and more advanced usage. Average gas is going down while transactions go up. Lots of activity, but mostly simple actions, spam or bots. Now let's see how this metric looks on real on-chain data using Dune. First, we start with raw Ethereum transactions. We group all transactions by day using the block time step. Then we count how many transactions happened each day. This gives us daily transaction count. Next, we sum all gas used by those transactions. This shows how much total computation the network performed that day. At this point, we already have two important metrics: total transactions and total gas used. Now comes the key step. We divide total gas used by transaction count. This gives us average gas per transaction, how heavy the average on-chain action was on that day. When this line goes up, it means users are interacting with more complex smart contracts. Even if the number of transactions stays flat, each transaction is doing more work. And when the line goes down, activity shifts towards simpler actions like basic transfers. Next, we'll move from network complexity to market pressure and look at exchange inflows and outflows. See you guys!